Well, the man accused of firing a gun inside the Gardens Mall on Valentine's Day is in jail, being held without bond. Devin Graham was set to make his first appearance in court this morning, but refused. He is one of two men charged following the shooting. Now, when Palm Beach Gardens Police Chief Clinton Shannon announced the arrest Tuesday afternoon, he made a point to say both suspects in the Gardens Mall shooting had long felony records. WPTV's chief investigator, Jamie Ostroff, went looking for answers to questions many of us had. If they had such long records, why in the world weren't these guys behind bars? She joins us in studio. Jamie?
Yeah, Todd, court records for both of these suspects tell a story stretching back to both of their childhoods. It includes plea deals, dropped charges, and even an acquittal.
These are some very, very violent individuals that are walking freely amongst us.
When Chief Clinton Shannon announced the arrests of Devon Graham and Camarcio Mitchell, I looked through their felony records to find out why both suspects in the Gardens Mall shooting were still on the street. Devon Graham is the accused shooter.
Graham has been charged with 30 felony charges, has 6 felony convictions, and 1 incarceration.
According to the chief, Graham's record dates back to 2011. We don't have those records because Graham was 16 years old at the time. But more recent records reveal a conviction for grand theft of a vehicle in 2013. Graham was sentenced to time served and walked free in 2014. In 2017, Graham was arrested on charges including 2 counts of aggravated assault with a firearm. This in connection to a non-deadly shooting near Riviera Beach daycare. Those charges didn't stick. This document I obtained from the state attorney's office says, although there was probable cause to make an arrest, the evidence is insufficient to support a criminal prosecution. That's because, according to a spokesman for State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg, prosecutors were unable to reach a victim. The case was dismissed. Graham was arrested once again in 2018 on drugs and weapons charges. He pleaded guilty to lesser charges and spent a month in jail. A 2020 forgery charge got Graham 3 years probation, which records say he violated in 2022. He spent 20 days in jail. Camarcio Mitchell is the man who was shot in the Gardens Mall last week. He now faces federal weapons charges because police say he is a convicted felon that was carrying a gun.
Some of the most notable crimes he's been charged with are first-degree homicide in 2011, homicide in 2015, armed burglary, robbery, grand theft.
Palm Beach County court records don't show a 2011 homicide charge, but I did find an attempted murder charge against Mitchell that year when he was 15 years old. He pleaded guilty to a lesser charge of battery and got probation, which he violated when he brought a gun to school. That led to a 28-month prison sentence. Mitchell was charged with murder in 2015. A jury found him not guilty. Between 2018 and 2020, Mitchell was arrested on felony firearm, grand theft auto, and drug charges, among others. Prosecutors eventually dropped all of the felony charges. A 2020 drug trafficking case sent Mitchell to prison. He was sentenced to 4 years in 2021 with credit for more than a year served. Now, neither suspect in the mall shooting has entered a plea yet, because they have not been arraigned. Camarcio Mitchell's arraignment is set for March 5th in federal court, and Devon Graham's first appearance before a Palm Beach County judge was rescheduled 30 days from now after he didn't show up for his appearance this morning. State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg declined an interview for the story because of Graham's pending charges in Palm Beach County, and Palm Beach Gardens Chief Clinton Shannon declined to comment on this case outside of his remarks yesterday. I'm Chief Investigator Jamie Ostroff, WPTV News Channel 5.